In today's video, we will be sharing with you an essential product that you must have: health insurance. This is the most basic and must-have insurance regardless of demographics. So what is health insurance? Health insurance helps you to cover your medical expenses and prevents you and your family from suffering a financial loss as a result of an accident, illness, or disability. Other than having to pay large hospital bills, you may also not be fit for work during your recovery. Hence, health insurance can also finance you with an income while you are disabled or hospitalized, or to cover the cost of your medical treatment or nursing care. While some health insurance plans provide you with cash payouts, others help cover the cost of treatments or nursing care. There are mainly 5 types of health insurance plans. The first type of health insurance plan is medical insurance. Under medical insurance, there are Shield plans, global medical insurance plans, and private medical insurance plans. The first most basic type of medical insurance plan is Shield plans. All Singaporeans and permanent residents would be provided coverage under the government health insurance plan to cover large medical expenses known as MediShield Life Plan. Additionally, there is also an integrated Shield plan which provides you with a higher coverage than MediShield Life at a higher cost. These basic Shield plans are only claimable if you are hospitalized. The second type of medical insurance is global medical insurance. It is a comprehensive international health insurance plan that offers worldwide coverage for your medical needs. You may also choose to include pre-existing medical conditions by paying extra premium. You may also include optional benefits such as no upfront payment is required for all approved treatments within the Global Directory of Hospitals, pre- and post-hospitalization outpatient treatment, maternity and newborn benefits, special cover for pre-existing conditions. Generally, there are very less policies that will cover any pre-existing conditions. However, the global medical insurance plan may provide such coverage after the waiting period and up to the benefit limits, and no medical examination is required. It also includes health screening, vaccine, dental, optical, and many more. The last type of medical insurance is private medical insurance. There are individual and group private medical insurance plans. So what is the difference? An individual private medical insurance is where you buy your own health insurance and it is not through an employer or organization. You will look for and choose a plan that covers you and your family. Purchase your own chosen plan, make all premium payments on your own, manage all of your health coverage and benefits. On the other hand, group private medical insurance is offered by an employer or organization to their employees to not only attract top talents to join them in their business, but also provide them with financial protection in Singapore, where medical costs can run high. The organization may give employees a choice of health insurance plans, pay for all or some of employees' premium, through deducting their share of the premium payouts from their paycheck, provide and describe employee plans as well. So why should an organization invest in a group private health insurance? It is extremely difficult to attract and retain highly demanded top-performing talents in Singapore. Although highly skilled professionals are always seeking for better opportunities and higher salaries, they also look out for employers who are committed to ensuring employees' well-being with comprehensive benefit propositions. The optional benefits for employee includes no upfront payment is required for all approved treatments within the Global Directory of Hospitals, pre- and post-hospitalization outpatient treatment, special cover for pre-existing conditions, maternity and newborn benefits, health screening, vaccine, dental, optical, and many more. While the benefits for employer includes premium will be more affordable for company due to pooling effect, retain employees. Lastly, gain higher employee satisfaction. By providing employees with group private health insurance, it demonstrates that you care for your employees' well-being, and this would offer you a competitive employee benefits program for your organization. The second type of health insurance plan is hospital cash insurance. This plan allows you to receive a fixed amount of cash payouts for each day you are hospitalized for treatment or surgery. The total amount paid under this policy may be more or less than your actual medical expenses. However, it pays for only a maximum number of days each year or the life of the policy. The policy will be terminated once the lifetime limit is reached. The waiting periods and benefit limits differ across different policies. The third type of health insurance plan is early stage to critical stage critical illness insurance. The objective of this plan's coverage is for income replacement purposes. People with medical condition might not be able to work again or may have to take a few years break from home for recovery. This plan allows you to receive a one-time lump sum to help you with your expenses and reduce your financial burden when you are diagnosed with an early to critical stage illness such as cancer, stroke, heart attack, or kidney failure, or have undergone a type of surgery that is covered by the policy. The policy may cover over 100 different medical conditions, and the policy ends when the one-time lump sum is paid out, and the amount does not depend on your medical expenses. The fourth type of health insurance plan is disability income insurance. This plan allows you to replace your income by paying you a fixed amount each month if you are unable to work due to an accident or illness. While this policy helps to ease your financial loss, it only pays out a portion of your average monthly salary and not your entire income. Payment will stop or reduce once you are able to work again. The payout can be for up to 5 or 10 years or until you are 60 or 65 years old. And lastly, benefits are payable only if you are continuously disabled after the deferred period. The last type of insurance plan is a long-term care or severe disability insurance. This plan provides you with a fixed monthly sum of money to cover your expenses and the cost of any care you require when you are severely disabled or too weak to look after yourself. Studies have found that 1 out of 2 healthy Singaporeans aged 65 could become severely disabled or may require long-term care. Other than illnesses that we might suffer as we get older, we could also be severely disabled due to sudden disabling events, such as stroke or worsening of chronic conditions. Things to consider when you're choosing a health insurance plan. Scenario 1. If you're young and healthy. Take Mary as an example. Currently, she's 22 years old who regularly exercises and has a rather healthy lifestyle who does not frequently fall sick. If you are similar to Mary, what should you consider when you're choosing a health insurance plan? You should check if the coverage of the plan is enough for you or if you wish to upgrade. Do not take your good health for granted and wait till you develop health issues then to decide to get more coverage, as the insurer may exclude coverage of that in your policy or charge you with an extra premium which could be as much as 300% of the basic premium. Insurers may reject your insurance coverage when you are not in the pink of health. Therefore, this is the best time to get yourself covered. Scenario 2. If you have a family. Other than buying a health insurance plan for your own, it is important to ensure that your family has adequate health insurance covered as well. Accidents happen at the most unpredictable moments and the cost of medical emergencies can be expensive. Recently, there was a yard that exploded with fire which caused terrible trauma for a family. A few family members had sustained severe burns due to the aftermath of the fire outbreak. As a result of the unexpected accident, the family had to foot a few $1 million of medical fees and also suffered a few $100,000 losses for the destroyed yard. There might be a situation where you find yourself having to pay an extremely large hospital bill due to an unforeseen accident that happened to you or your family members. Therefore, it is important to ensure that you have enough health insurance coverage to protect you financially. Scenario 3. If you are a senior citizen. If you are retired and are above the age of 65 years old, it is even more critical and important for you to get medical insurance, as you may be prone to falling sick more frequently and needing longer medical care. Our retirement time may be extended not due to the reason of good health. Some people may be bedridden for more than 10 years. Also, being a retiree, you may not have a stable income coming in monthly. Hence, it is likely that you will face financial difficulties in paying off the rising expensive medical care in Singapore. In conclusion, there are too many other health insurance plans available out there. It would be impossible for us to go through all that into one video. However, plans like Global Medical Insurance is one of the best health insurance plans that you can consider getting. So why Global Medical Insurance? As the name suggests, it is a global plan with no geographical limit. It doesn't matter if you live in Singapore or overseas. With this plan, you can be assured that you and your family will have access to the best quality healthcare at anywhere and anytime. It provides the widest coverage among other relevant plans, with an option to include a special cover for pre-existing conditions. Most importantly, it is a worldwide comprehensive medical plan. Some of the global medical insurance plans allows you to enjoy the convenience of cashless hospital settlement globally with no upfront payment needed and no waiting time required as well. This would save a lot of effort and time for you due to your busy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you!